With the demise of third-party cookies and an increasingly stringent customer privacy landscape, the ability to reliably target customers most likely to respond to your advertising keeps getting harder. Digital Element has been a pioneer in privacy-protected targeting strategies for more than 20 years. With our industry-leading Net Acuity solution, advertisers can access highly accurate, granular, and privacy-sensitive targeting data that increases response rates by 300% and ad spend ROI by 30 to 40% over non-targeted ads. With Digital Elements data, you can target online global audiences down to sub-postal code and to the ZIP plus 4 level in the United States, reach mobile users across devices, engage with customers in the immediate vicinity of nearby points of interest, obtain additional context about your audience such as connection type, enhance attribution and analytics, reduce wasted impressions and click fraud, and more. See how Digital Element can help you expand the reach, relevance, and response of your online ads today at www.digitalelement.com/IPGeoleader.